So that instead of having just a hole, I sort of widen the hole so the bottom's like this, and then the sides go up. All right, when I pull it, I'm gonna keep the walls a little thicker because I have to cut them with this. So I'm gonna keep the walls probably almost an inch, not quite an inch thick, but almost. I think it's easier to flatten the top, so I kind of make 2 fingers and this, and smash it down with that. So that just kind of makes the top nice and flat again, and also a little bit thicker on the top. So I'm just pushing down with this. Okay. And then the last thing I'm going to do is just get the slip off the inside with this. So that got rid of a little bit of slip. I'm going to straighten and get the slip off the outside just so I have a nice, even shape to work with. Your facets can be really small or they can be really big. If I cut in more, they're going to be wider and bigger. But based on how thick this is, I think I can probably start cutting right here. And you can either start with the wire and cut down, or you can start with the wire and slide it in and cut up. Either way. But you want to just try to go straight down, which takes practice. So I've just cut one facet, and I'll whip it around so you can see. Based on this, I try to estimate how many of these facets I think I can get. So I think I can get like 1, 2, 3. So since I did this one, I'm going to go directly opposite, and that's a good way to get it nice and even and symmetrical. So that's faceted. You could leave it like that. But one thing I like to do is, and you could do this before, but kind of scrape off the bottom. And then I like to also stretch it out from the inside. Either use a metal or a wooden kidney, and without touching the inside, I'm going to stretch it out, or sorry, without touching the outside, I'm going to try to stretch it out from the inside. So I'm just using just my kidney to stretch it a little bit.